All right, y'all, this is Kina here from SweetGemLife, just doing a very quick haul, short and sweet. Y'all know how I like it. So we have something from Fabulously Planned, Also Paper Co., KaysiCreates, and So Cute Planner. If you're interested, stay tuned. Let's get started. This is a $1 Wednesday haul from Fabulously Planned. Every Wednesday, usually every Wednesday, she has what you can call a complete kit for $1. Each sheet is $1. This is the washi. This is the pool day kit. You've got some boxes, some glitter headers. Ooh, that's cute. I'm needing all of that right now. Checklist boxes, date dots and date headers, date covers, excuse me. We've got a sampler. Okay. Some bow headers, some more boxes, checklists, habit trackers, bill dues, full boxes, half boxes, quarter boxes, summer vibes. All of this is just what I'm living for right now. I need all of this in my life. So that is the $1 Wednesday from Fabulously Planned. Next, we have my very first order from Also Paper. I'm very excited about this. I've been waiting on it. Let's open this up. As y'all can see, I will be just as excited as y'all are. If I can get in it, that's first. Okay. So, yes. Hey, little girl, I'm here for you. Let's see this. Yes, and yes. Okay. So we've got the June freebie. Also Paper. Oh, this paper is so soft. Also Paper, the cat's meow. We've got Mini Friends, Mini Nistas, Bianca. Simone. She is too much. Kamika. She cute. She out here cute. Georgette. Eva. Yes, Eva. We chilling in the house. We ain't got time. Brandy. She looks like a Brandy. Doesn't she look like a Brandy, y'all? All right. Beverly is just here for everything. Look at this. These pants, Beverly. I need to know where you got those from. And then we have our Mini Friends Black Lives Matter. Yes, I love all of this. Are these separate stickers? They are. Wonderful. I love it. Danielle, you did your thing. I love this. Can't wait to use them. So stick that aside. Next we have, I know what this is. This is my August budget from KaysiCreates. No words necessary. If you have been watching any of my other videos, you already know that I love Kaysi. Everything that comes out of her shop, and have been with her. Okay, so I forgot. This is not just my August kit. This also has some PP Weeks kits that I ordered. I completely forgot about them. So let me, and I've got a Misfit grab bag. Ooh, Kaysi. Yes, ma'am. Let me grab this invoice out of here because y'all need to be seeing my address. And then I can show y'all what's in these suckers. Okay, we will start with the August kit first. Yes, yes, and yes. All right. Now, I always get the full budget kit because I always use it. And those of you that have watched this month's Plan With Me, Budget With Me, you'll see. Okay, we've got the shop freebie. This is the notes column for the monthly page. Let's get this sorted. And all my goodies, because I love my goodies. All right. We have our budget sheets, our monthly budget sheets. This is to set up your monthly spread. We've got our monthly budget, weekly check-in. This is a sampler, date dots. Are these quarter boxes? Quarter boxes. Paycheck 1, 2, 3, 4, because y'all know I'm paid weekly. Then the debt tracker also comes with the paycheck trackers. So there's that. Then you have the notes kit, which comes with all that you see here. Notes kit. Casey, we've been oh man, I'm gonna have to look at this. Casey, you've been working on some stuff and making some changes. All right, this is the freebie that usually comes with any full budget kit that you purchase. So if you've purchased the full kit, you'll get this freebie here. These are square monthly boxes, monthly bill dues. This is for my cash envelopes page, sinking funds, my debt tracker. I usually use this one instead of the one that comes in the kit with the paycheck trackers. Savings tracker, transaction log, washi. Oh, I'm here for that. Back to school vibes. Literally back to school vibe. And then some thin washi. So that is my August budget kit. Now, let's see my PP weeks. So, I recently got my May Villa Beautiful kit. And in that kit was a leather. It was the most gorgeous. Let me see if I can find that. So I'm not talking to y'all about something y'all have no clue. Okay, here we go. So the kit came with this leather cover that is designed to fit PP Weeks or Hobonichi. And while you guys know I usually only use my Aurastell Cloud, and then I've been using my Happy Planner Mini to carry with me, I've been looking for something a little bit more compact to fit in my purse. So when this came, I was like, oh my God, I love it. I need to use it. And then it also came with this notebook and this folder with the blank pages. And we got a craft folder. It's got some pockets and stuff here. This kit is no longer available. However, I do believe some leftovers are going on sale tomorrow on the Villa Beautiful website for Tiffy Tuesday. So that's tomorrow, June 16th, my birthday. So go ahead and go get it. I'll leave a link below in the description box so you guys can use my code. So with that, I turned around and bought some PP Weeks from Printpressions. They should soon be shipping, and I said let me go ahead and get a couple of kits in advance. So of course Miss KaysiCreates never disappoints, and she already had a couple of kits in her shop. So we grabbed the Stay kit. We grabbed the New York kit, of course. Of course I grabbed the New York kit. Love it. Love it. Making me so homesick. We grabbed the Bloom kit. And the Lemonade kit. All right. So that's that. And nope, I forgot. I got me a grab bag. So let's take a look here. See what's in it. I have no idea, but let's find out. So we've got some April. I remember this from the April kit. You've got that, where you will definitely use that. We've got some Bill Doodles, not doo-doo, doodle paydays. Oh, the 1 year anniversary freebie. I still have this somewhere. It's probably in my sticker book. Oh, what's that? That's cute. November labels. Interesting, Casey. Interesting. This was from the February kit, I believe. March. Cash envelopes. Washi from the March kit. More washi from the March kit. This is from the April kit. Washi. This is from the April kit. This is a beautiful color. I'm not a big fan of blue, but that's beautiful. And I'll be putting those to use. And the transaction log from what is likely the October or November kit. So we've got some goodies to play with. And last but not least, we have, what is this? So Cute Planner. So I purchased this from Etsy. I cannot remember what I bought. So it's going to be just as much as a surprise to me as it is to you. If we can get in it. Let's see. Oh, it was the Stay Wild kit. Now I remember. I could not for the life of me, when Kaysi drops new kits, I always buy them all. She will tell you. And for the life of me, when I was going through the website to order my August kit, I kept saying, I don't have this one. Why didn't I get it? And I remembered it's because I had already purchased the similar kit from So Cute Planner. So let's check it out. Oh, I thought it was a happy birthday to me. It's Happy Birthday, America. So, we have the So Cute Planner. Listen, I can immediately look at this and tell you why I purchased this. Anything with leopard, pink, lemons, I'm on it. I'm going to buy it. It doesn't matter. It could be a toilet seat. I'm going to buy it because I love it. I love these boxes. So that's the kit for So Cute Planner. And that is all I have for y'all today. Yes, that's it. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Tell me what you think about these kits. As I said, I will leave the link for Villa Beautiful below so you guys can jump on the Tiffy Tuesday tomorrow. And until the next time, see you guys.